welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to declutter. Exciting? Yes? No? However it may sound like, let us make this whole decluttering process interesting and make ourselves feel liberated and a little more in control of the space that we live in. So I hope you too join me on this decluttering journey, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out any new videos that I post. Also make sure to click on that bell notification icon so that you get notified when the videos are posted. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Yeah, so I guess I have mentioned it in one of my previous vlogs that we are going to move to a different city in quite some time. So yeah, so there's less than a month left for the move, and the whole thought of the moving process, it's so overwhelming and intimidating for me. Packing all this stuff is on my mind, but before I do that, I just wanted to make sure that I take away only the things that I actually need. I don't want to carry along with me a load and a pile of stuff that is of no use. So that's the reason why I'm going to start decluttering, and I just want to feel a little more lighter when I move. So I hope I can do this one room at a time. That's what my plan is. I'm going to start with the pantry section, and I guess I have not been going there since a while. I mean, I have been going there in and out, but I have not kept a stock of the things that are there since a very long time. So I'm sure things have piled up, new things have added on, and you know, it's so easy for the old stuffs to go underneath or go behind if you're storing it in cupboards. It's very easy for things to get unnoticed. So I just wanted to make sure what are the things in my pantry so that I can just note it down somewhere and do my meal planning for the next few weeks based on what I have, so that there is no need to buy anything extra, which will again add on to the weight of the loads that I carry. So that's the reason why I'm going to start with the pantry section. So after watching this video, I hope you too take a look on your pantry and start decluttering. Anyway, that's not a bad idea, right? Whether you're moving or whether you're settled in a place, it's definitely not a bad idea to see and declutter and feel a little more lighter. And so I'm going to start with the pantry. Make sure you come along with me and let's get started. So this is the laundry room, and I guess you would have seen this in my laundry routine video. And here is our pantry storage. So before we start this whole decluttering process, I just wanted to show you how we had organized the pantry essentials over here. We had a separate room here for laundry, and we had this extra space here, so that's why I chose to keep the pantry essentials over here. I don't know what I'll do in the new apartment where we go. We don't have any separate room like this, but we'll see after going there. But here, this is how I had organized. These are this cube organizer. One of my friends gave it to me while she was moving from here. I think she used it for her kids. It's like this multicolored and all, but I chose to keep my pantry stuffs over here. And these cubes, I got it from Target, and it was very sturdy and it holds a lot of stuff. So I really liked how it looked, and yeah. I got these, how many cubes? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. And here, let's start from here. Here in this one I have bread, I have some small onions and garlic, potatoes, sweet potatoes and onions, and some oil over here. And here I just got these black construction papers, and I just tied it over here and just marked it so that everyone can equally understand, each family member can understand. So that way it was very easy, because even kids know where is what. Like they could get their own snack if they wanted to. So yeah, this is the to-go section here. Hi. Did you say hi? I'm a video educator. ഓക്കെ, ഏട്ടനോട് പോയി കളിച്ചോ, വീഡിയോ എടുത്തിട്ട് വരാം. ബൈ ബൈ പറ, ബൈ. Okay. I know the kids are playing in the living room and she just wanted to pop in because I think she thought I'm just talking to myself over here. So yeah, anyway, I was talking about these labels and this is to go snacks. So I have all the bars, like the nutrition bars and such grab and go pouches and snacks, which is very easy. I guess when we are going on a car drive and we just know that the things are over here and we can just take one snack and go. So that is what is over here. And then over here I have these nuts and dry fruits. I have raisins, nuts, chia seeds and all that healthy stuff here. And then here are the snacks, and this, I know it is just piled up so much. Oh my god, these are all what my husband eats with his tea time snacks. So that's just piled up. I have to make sure that something over here gets empty. So I don't think we'll buy any more snacks before we go. And then here over in this box we have cereal. So I have the granola here and other whatever cereal like cornflakes and things like that. And then over here are pulses. So all the pulses, usually I store it in my kitchen, and whatever extra is there I store it over here in this one. And here is pasta and noodles, so some stuffs like that here. And then here I have all the extra things. Oh my god, I have to see what is going on here. Nothing extra sugar, extra tea, all those things used to go here. And yeah, here is the canned items. I have to oh my god, this is so heavy. I just have to definitely go deeply into this section. I have a lot of coconut milk cans and big cans of this peanut butter. The thing is that when we buy things from Costco, it's always in bulk, and sometimes we just get 2 cans together. So that's the reason why it's difficult to store them in a small apartment. Yeah, so that's how things keep piling up. You get extras, you get 2 cans in one go. So that's the reason why things happen like that. And here are what extra atta and rice and all those. So all these things need to be checked for. And then here I have some applesauce and some waffle mix over there. And here is the baby gate that I used to use when Anjali was a little younger. So that is that. And then yeah, that is a blender that we got when we first initially moved to the US. And then we just figured out it doesn't just grind whatever we needed to grind in our Indian cooking. So that is out there. I just want to get rid of that. It doesn't do what I actually want it to do. So that I need to get rid of. And this is my shopping bag. So I just need to tackle this whole area. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so I just grabbed a few stuffs that might be needed. A trash bag, some rubber bands because I know most of them would be opened, like the packets would be opened. And then this can in which I might put in some of the opened biscuits or cookies so that the kids can have it from here. I'll keep it somewhere in my kitchen. And then to write down here what are the things that I could make meals out of. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get started.
They wanna feel the sun.
to probably dust a little bit behind these shelves. So I just have to pull it all to the front and then dust it from behind. But it's done. It took about 1 hour, 1.5 hours to do all of that. I had a little bit of distraction with the kids running here and there, but it's done and I'm so happy. And so to just give a gist of what I did with all these bins, I just took all the bins out and looked into what is inside each one of them. Some of them were open covers, and so I just had to put a rubber band on all of that, and then some of them had to be discarded. So I ended up having 3 piles. This cover is full of stuffs that needs to be discarded, and in these have some of these things, some bars which my kids didn't like, so I have to give to someone who might like them. And in these are some biscuits and cookies, all of them which were opened. And also I just made a list of all the things that were there in the bins that could be made into meals for the next few days. And then also I just emptied certain packets and just refilled all the containers, some of the pulses, rice, atta, etc., which I stored in the kitchen. So I just refilled those containers and then made a list of all the things that is available in the pantry that could be turned into meals. So I will plan the meals for the next few days with the things available here in the pantry. Meal planning will be more appropriate after I declutter the kitchen as well. So kitchen is the next thing to tackle. But yeah, I'm so happy that this is done. So yeah, I'll just show you the list that I made. So yeah, this is the list that I made while clearing out the pantry, and I just made a list of all the things that I felt were little, like, I mean, which could be finished off. I didn't include rice and atta and things like that that would definitely be used, but just those things so that I could make meals surrounding this. Definitely I would have to buy produce, vegetables, etc. to make them, but still I just wanted to make sure that these things are included in the meals that I'm going to be preparing in the next few days. I don't know how many meals I can prepare for that. Probably if I could make for a week, I'm not sure. Let's see. So I have my meal planner here. I've shown you this meal planner in one of my videos, so if you want you can check that. Let's see how many meals we can make with these. So the numbers that I've written are the number of times it can be prepared. Like, I feel soya chunks, it can be prepared twice and it can be done with. Coconut milk can serve 5 times. So one major meal like palapam or things like that which might need more of coconut milk, and 4 of smaller ones like some curries. I'll start with Monday. Okay, so breakfast. Let me put some sandwich. Yeah, I'll just make avocado sandwich plus egg. This is my favorite combination. I have shown in one of the vlogs how I prepare that. That's one of my favorite things to prepare. And then lunch, soya chunks, so I can make a soya chunks curry and chapati here. There's just one, and yeah. So dinner I can make tacos and black beans. So I'm done with tacos and 1 black beans. Next, coming to Tuesday, again 1 more bread, so French toast I can prepare. So bread is done. So yeah, 1 more soya chunks is remaining, so I can make soya chunks pulao here. So I'm done with soya chunks, and yeah, this is also done, right? Tacos and black beans, 1 is there. Okay, dinner here I can make green peas, chapati and green peas. So green peas is 1 serving, so this will be done. Then what else is coconut milk, rice here, and for curry 1 more black beans is remaining, so I can make here chapati plus black beans, coconut curry. Anjali is trying to repeat me, but yeah. So I can make that here. Black beans is done. Now what else? Yeah, so coconut milk is remaining still. So I can make palapam and yeah, chickpeas. So it is, yeah, two. I can prepare that for 2 meals. So chickpeas I'll make extra, and here I can make chapati plus black chickpeas. So this would be done. Lunch on Thursday, I can make this pasta here. Pasta is done. Noodles is remaining. Noodles plus a sweet corn soup. It's almost done. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday breakfast is remaining. I can prepare something with oats there. Oats with milk. Oats, chillas, and Friday I don't know. Mostly we have cereal on Friday, so it's done. I don't know oats how. So I have just a little bit of coconut milk would be there and mango pulp. I can make a mango lassi here. I'm sure kids are gonna like it. Might be like a mid-morning snack. I can give some mango lassi, or evening I can make that, but on Friday I can make that. And so yeah, it is done. I'm so happy that I'm able to make use of it and make a meal from Monday through Friday. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you got a little bit of motivation to do some sort of decluttering in your house as well. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure to comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.